Hello, I'm Bo Henderson, founder of Rich Life Advisors, and I want to know, is your retirement savings invested in a casino or a molasses? And what I mean by that is I'm more and more seeing retirees that I meet with in one extreme or the other. And the one extreme, being invested in the casino, is they have 100% of their money in the stock market and it's at market risk. And the problem there, and why I call it a casino, is because it's just like gambling. Now there's a chance it may work out fine, but what happens if the market drops 20, 30, 40% in retirement or the year before you retire? That changes everything and can completely ruin your plans to retire and to have money to last the rest of your lifetime. So for that safe portion of money that you need to last, investing in a casino or gambling is not the way to go. And then on the other side, I have clients that are so uncertain because of the political uncertainty, the economic uncertainty right now, that they feel safe having their retirement savings invested in molasses, or what I'm calling it's in a checking account, a savings account, or a CD at a bank. And why I call it molasses is that it's moving so slow that it's getting beat up by inflation and actually going backwards. So in the name of safety and protection, those investments in the molasses or in those low yielding instruments, it's actually exposing you to one of the biggest risks there are, which is outliving your retirement income. So there is a middle ground, and most retirees just are not familiar. And what you want to do is work with an advisor who can help you. They're either a fixed income specialist or the safe money specialist, and they can help you find an investment for retirement and that income you need that does two things. And one, unlike the casino, it protects your principal from losses. So principal protection. And two, like the molasses in the bank and CDs and savings account, what you want to do is make sure that investment is giving you a reasonable rate of return that's outpacing inflation, which increases the chance of your money lasting as long as you do. So I hope that helps. And again, in summary, I don't want you, for your safe money you need for retirement income, investing in the casino or molasses. There's some middle ground there that will help you reach your objective. For any other questions, visit us at AskBoHenderson.com. We have free report, free info, and also I'd love to hear any specific things you have going on. Talk to you soon.